A quick update about these drawer boxes. So I was able to finally assemble the very first drawer box the other day, except for the bottom, because I still need to get the 1/4 inch plywood I want to use to save weight. So I pre-cut all the sides and the rears with these 1/4 inch dado cuts, which are basically 1/2 inch from the bottom edge all the way to here. And I also had to take into account the side slides, so I have 1/2 inch clearance on the side, on the left and the right, and also I have roughly 1/2 inch clearance all the way in the back. So the rear of the drawer, when it closes, it will not hit the bottom of the actual box. So I do love the fact that the faceplate is flush with the top and the bottom, and the fact that I also have easier access to the or uninterrupted access to the handle, so I can grab it from the side. And I'll probably have to shave a little bit off the top of the drawer wall, probably like 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch. The problem is here, I can't really grab it. I can only squeeze in like 2 fingers if I want to carry it like vertically. So either I would have to carve down a bit of recess down here so I can grab at least 3 fingers, or leave it as is. So what I'm thinking, if I do carve down into this hole, I would have to then compensate by adding another piece of wood. So if I carve up to here, I would then have to basically come with some type of piece of wood to kind of reinforce this gap. So like probably from here all the way to here, to still have some support. And the same for all these other boxes. So right now I'm working on drawer number 2 and 3 on the second larger box. So same deal, I have these dado cuts, 1/2 inch clearance from the very bottom, and then 1/2 inch clearance on all sides for the slides, and then 1/2 inch clearance in back. So it's starting quite nice. I'm pretty excited to have it finally finished eventually, and I'll show you guys the result. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update about like how this is going. And if you like this, just give it a thumbs up, probably subscribe. I do appreciate all you guys, your views and any thumbs up and any feedback. So stay tuned. I'll keep you guys posted again later this week. Thanks.